President Vlad Putin declares that Bitcoin is now legal property in Russia. Russia just put Bitcoin at the center of its economic chessboard. Earlier today, President Vladimir Putin signed a law that not only recognizes Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as legal property, but also brings a lot of new regulations to the industry. The new law rewrites Russia's tax code, turning crypto into a taxable asset. It exempts mining and sales from value-added tax, VAT, but miners must report their activities to local authorities or risk a fine of 40,000 rubles, about $380. Trading profits are also on the radar, with a tiered tax system, 13% for earnings under 2.4 million rubles, $22,300, and 15% for anything higher. Starting next year, all crypto companies will face a standard tax rate of 25%. Most parts of this law are effective immediately, except for a few delay clauses. Russia anticipates collecting up to 200 billion rubles, around $2 billion, annually from its booming crypto mining sector, and given the country's global rank as a mining powerhouse, the numbers don't seem at all far-fetched. Russia has consistently ranked among the top players in crypto mining, with its abundance of cheap energy fueling massive operations. Now on November 1, a government-backed database for large-scale miners was launched under a separate law Putin signed in August. The stakes are bigger than just domestic control. Russia's central bank has also greenlit a pilot program for cross-border crypto transactions. These transactions are seen as a lifeline for Moscow, allowing the country to sidestep sanctions and purchase restricted goods on international markets. Crypto's decentralized nature makes it harder for Western regulators to track, giving Russia a potential edge in accessing critical resources, military or otherwise. Of course, this doesn't sit well with the United States. Washington has warned banks in countries like China, Turkey, and the UAE against aiding Moscow's efforts to bypass sanctions. But let's be honest, Moscow isn't losing sleep over U.S. threats these days.